This video microtopic demonstrates a method for setting a pear-shaped stone in a solitaire ring with platinum prongs. First, pre-finish the prongs and around the inside of the setting. Then polish the setting. Bend the point prong out slightly. Blackening the prongs with a permanent marker makes scribe marks easier to see. Scribe the height of the bearing. Allow for a minimum of 100 to 110% freestanding metal. Create the bearing using a 2.5 mm setting burr on the 4 round prongs. Burr each prong individually to 30 to 40% removal of metal. Check the fit of the stone as you work and make adjustments if necessary. Create a relief hole in the point prong with a small round burr. Here, a 1.25 mm round burr is being used, but the size of the burr depends on the overall size of the stone's point. The stone's point should not touch any part of the metal of the point prong. Then create the bearing in the point prong with a bearing burr. Check the fit of the stone and bend the point prong back if necessary. Remove metal flashing and remove all tool marks. Repolish areas if necessary. Place the stone in the bearing and check that it fits properly. Tack the stone in place. Check that the stone is level and is properly aligned. Once all adjustments have been made, finish bending the prongs over the crown. Prong contact should be 40 to 50%. Saw down the V of the point prong with an 8/0 saw blade. Cut down to just above the stone's girdle. Carefully bend each side over the point of the stone. Confirm that the stone's point does not come in contact with the setting. If the point prong is too high, like this one, saw off the excess metal. Burnish the saw cut closed. Style the prongs. Make sure to style the prongs consistently. Remove tool marks. Then polish and buff the prongs to a high luster. The stone should be level and properly aligned in the prongs, and prong contact should be flush with the surface of the stone.